Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about episode 2 of Genesis. Now guys, we know episode 1 ended with Umaruna having like her life on the stage was, it was glowing up, if I can put it in that way, because the man of her dreams, or her man, was proposing her while her life backstage was crumbling down, while her son was losing his life backstage. So this episode starts off with that shame, guys. Umaruna, it is so sad, ngiyamzwela, guys. So she's on the front of a newspaper and it's written, Maruna opens the gates of heaven. They speaking about that performance yakhe at the awards. And the sister Umpumi is not hearing anything. The sister goes on to say, but like, if you really could open the gates of heaven, at least Upila, who is the child who passed away, at least Upila passed through those gates, knowing that I'm the one who cared for him. I was the mother who truly loved him. And when you must know, Uti, your son died because you chose fame and fortune. Guys, I felt like Umpumi's words were so unfair because before Umaruna left last night to go perform, Umaruna, she did want to say, she did want to stay home with the son, but the mother was saying Maruna is a breadwinner, she must go and perform, and izinto ezinjalo. So Maruna's crying there, she's like, that's not true. I loved my son, and what? Umpumi is basically saying all those words you're saying. It's nothing, Jay. Actions speak louder than words. When you decided to go and, cheer on or go and entertain strangers while your son was busy sick here. But anyway, on the brighter side, as they say in Yeslungu, you and Gabriel can continue living your lives now freely. Your dirty little secret is safe. Guys, my jaw dropped to the ground. Listen, what? Because I was not getting with you. Why Umpumi is being so protective over Ingane? I firstly thought ukuthi maybe she's the one who stays with the child most of the time, and that's why she's so opinionated when it comes to Upila. Kanti, guys, people of the public don't even know that Umaruna has a child. Maruna had a child, but they covered it up by saying ukuthi umawale ngane umpumi. So umpumi is the one. Then she said ukuthi I'm the real mother of this child. I'm the mother who truly loved this child. Maruna had a child with Gabriel, you guys, and they kept the secret. And hence umpumi is saying now, but you and Gabriel, you can go ahead and live your lives freely because your dirty little secret is covered now. It's safe. Guys, shame Upila wazalelwa wazalwa eyimfihlo. He lived his life eyimfihlo. He passed away eyimfihlo. How painful is that? And it looks like Maruna's hands are tied because of this career that she has. Next scene, we see Felicia and Gabriel. They're in bed with their matching PJs, you guys. And listen, they both look traumatized. Felicia is like, you're in the bagampumi. Like, akekho umzali odeservayo to be bearing their own children. Kodwa-ke, no lokhuzana, no Maruna, she was as good as the mother. She loved Upila so much. I'm sure she's feeling the pain as Umpumi. Confirming the thing yokuthi ngempela everyone thinks ukuthi Upila is Umpumi's child. Kanti no, Upila is Umaruna and Gabriel's child. Gabriel is there in bed, guys. He is busy staring at Upila's picture on his phone. But the thing that confuses me, I'm like, guys, Gabriel ukhohlakele. Because Gabriel is the one who told Maruna, you better get on that stage and perform. Then when you're done, there will be a car. When you're done, there will be a car that's waiting for you that's going to take you back home. So you're telling me he's the father of this child and he was busy behaving as if he didn't care about as if that child was not his. Yeah, I get, guys. But anyway, unokhuzana ke Felicia goes on to say ukuthi la khona uMaruna, I'm sure uhlangahlangene phela Uphila was as good like bokufana ukuthi bobuyingane yakhe. She goes on to say, yo uNoah. Now guys, Uphila not uPhila, Felicia and Gabriel, they have their last born called Noah. And Noah is the same age, or is more or less the same age as uPhila. So I'm saying Gabriel had a child with his wife, and Umaru now what about he impregnated these women at the same time because the children are around the same age. But anyway, Felicia is telling Gabriel that listen, Noah was close with uPhila, so please go and break down the news before he sees it on social media. That other side, Maruna's house, the sister Mpumi is fighting her. Ukuthi Mpumi doesn't want Umaruna ukuthi ahlale ematrasini. She's like, no, I'm the one who was always there for this child. Maruna doesn't qualify ukuthi ahlale ematrasini. Guys, I'm just like, no, Mpumi khohlakele. No, like this is not the time for her to be treating Umaruna like that. I get to what maybe she feels like as a mother, how do you hide your child for the sake of fame? Which we don't know if it was really for the sake of fame or what's the backstory around it. But listen, Unokuzana Mpumi is fighting and she's like, I'm going to be the one sitting on that mattress because I am the mother. So anyway, guys, the gigabytes, the gigabas, they decide later on to go to Maruna's family Kalisa to mourn with them. But you can see attention because obviously Maruna's family, they know the truth. Gabriel is the father of this child and they kept it a secret. Manje, unokuzana, the wife, Felicia, she doesn't know anything. So anyway, Felicia goes on to say, yazini, we sorry. We sorry about the passing of your news. Phela uPhila used to spend so much time at our house. He was the same as like he was one of our own sons. So we're sorry about that. When she's done speaking, Gabriel goes on to speak ukuthi ngempela Mpumi, you did such a good job in growing up this child. But you can see Wendy. Wendy is Umaruna's mother. When Gabriel starts speaking unyanyeni, she is so disgusted that he has the nerve to come and speak as if he's an honorable man, knowing very well he was the father of this child. Wendy gets up. She's like saying, Liferit, if you guys are done, please leave my house. Felicia is confused. She's like, Wendy, alrighty. Wendy's not having it. She's like, leave my house. Nikhohlakele lina. Angazi ukuthi nifunani. Cela nihambe lana. As they're going out, Wendy abalandele, and she's like, I never want to see you guys here and whatnot. Felicia's not getting it. She's even asking Gabriel ukuthi hayibo. Like simenzeni Wendy. Like, why is Toshisa owezinja? Or Owenja? What did we do to her? Gabriel, he knows very well, and that's why he knew very well that he needed to leave because listen, anything could have came out there. Gabriel telling the wife, but Msampe, it's grieving, that's making her like this. I'm just like, you know what? At this point, the fact that they didn't take out the truth and kept quiet for Maruna, high shame, guys. I think we need to give them some sort of applaud for that because Gabriel coming there acting innocent as if that was disgusting. Anyway, guys, let me not say only Gabriel because Maruna Liena, she was quiet, but you could see Maruna was actually angry. So I'm now asking myself, did Gabriel or was Gabriel the one who pushed Maruna to make a decision of keeping the child a secret and portraying herself in the public as someone who doesn't have a child? I mean, that means her own fiance doesn't even know ukuthi unengane. Guys, anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.